Khasi Student Union Shillong Mihngi Circle. Haka janmiet arpusaw Tarik Risaw, hadien bakalayo jingujor na kawei ka Longkmie kabala shim dawai ha Neigrhms Hospital. Kabala kynnoh bakala shah jrong ha uwei u Doctor Gynecologist haka por baka shim dawai na Katei Hospital haka arpulai Tarik Risaw. Liang ka KSU Shillong Mihngi Circle haka arpusaw Tarik Risaw. Leit iakynduh ya medical superintendent, bad ya director jong Katei Hospital, Doctor Nahlin Mehta, iakren halor kani jingujor palayo kaseng. Habakran syakilat pathai Khubor, education secretary Samla Jeremiah Pohthmi, ulayat ho bakini arngut kikli jong kani hospital, kilayo ya ujor na kibahaying hasam jong kata ka Longkmie. Ka hospital ru kalatung da komiti ban tokit benya yakani jingujor. Director Liang ka hospital kalara iakani jingujor syaka internal committee bun kidekot ki Doctor Katei ban tokit benya bat rai hapo khandai posngi. Amdan kanu kabor ka ban Lucia jing tokit kani committee Liang.
We have received a complaint from a patient, and as per procedures laid down by the POSH Act of 2013, we have acknowledged the receipt of the complaint. There has been an allegation that there was a case where a patient felt that she had been molested. That complaint has been received, it has been acknowledged, and as Neigrihms, we do not take these matters lightly. The matter has now been transferred to the administration and will be inquired upon by the POSH committee. There is an internal complaints committee as per the government mandate. It is mandatory for us to have a committee. The committee is chaired by a lady. It has members from within and from outside the institution. The committee will take the matter in their hands and do the needful. And the committee is not influenced by the institute employees or by the director or the MS or anybody. So now that the matter is with the committee, we will wait for the committee to decide what exactly happened, come out with its verdict and recommendations. And this is not a trivial matter. This is something which is followed by rules. The government is also aware of such matters. So action will be taken as per the law. And my request to also the media is to be responsible till such time that a verdict is made. Let us not conduct a trial by media. Offhand, I will not recollect, but the entire composition of the committee is there on our website. It has internal members and external members who are from Shillong, not employees of Neigrihms, and majority of the members on the committee are ladies. So you can visit the Neigrihms website, all the details are there and it's very transparent. Empowered or authorized to take any action till we establish that something has happened. For example, tomorrow if you make a complaint against somebody, I can't take action till I establish that something has happened. So this is not my job now. It is the responsibility of the committee to make the recommendations, and the needful will be done on the basis of the recommendations of the committee. If you go to the website, the chairperson of the committee is already named. It's not that I have to imagine somebody. It is a committee which is already formed. There is a very well laid down law as to what is the timeline, and I think the maximum time in which the committee's recommendation has to come is 90 days, because there are times they have to acknowledge to the respondent and to the complainant. They may want to call both of them and talk with them. They may want to talk to other witnesses. They may want to do a whole bunch of things which are all time bound. The complainant or the respondent may not be available on the day the committee wants them. They may want extension. So all these things are catered for by the committee, but there is a time bound committee requirement to give their verdict or recommendation. I think maximum is 90 days.
Penduduk ini nak kena KSU Shillong ya director dan Neigrhms kalau baca kes bahasa bahasa haras bahwa koi ke patient bahasa haras ui doktor bahkan ini sentasing te ka jingjar lah di ka dua jam menensi ipan masjid itu menahi masjid itu kita janmiet lah yang ban mi spesial di hospital menes phang na iakynduh ya MS na hospital la Katei ni ba la dan komplain ba ya file na kaliang bahien long kepat ai pada ga PA ke file komplain apa ka hospital ni na kaliang UMS la pak jitep sau director dan mentai dah wakil director layo jitep ba kene ka ties la long ba ki long sidang form ka komiti hata komiti bala penben la don ki external du belum deh pok Neigrhim de sekolah tu kila banyak hi kena komiti bat nak hilang dengan director pula kena basahi ba kena ka jingujor ka kes pemerintah pula ayat report act mah prevention of harassment act ada kalai di nak hilang dengan director pula kena basahi ba hak komiti ba kimdon kinu di staff ne kinong tray ba tiba-tiba ko Neigrhim tinde ki external staff atau external tiba-tiba pot Shillong bat sabar Shillong tu nak yang tak bat ya kan tu bagi director ba kene ba ni kunci ba ko ba ivan sim dawai mo ivan sim dawai din tu Doctor Jong ting ni lah jong ki ko isu tu ba doktor da mo kada ka kamju ni mo ban pai ban sumar ki Jepang wisdom lipat ada shah boleh untuk kedon dengan semua deh yang tak kedon justru bah doktor ni beban kis itu beban le sexual harassment kita dan nak lihat juga kita langsung tu bah la kamjong sistai kata ya kata te ngimla bentuk nomor wangi ngimla te ban bor na ban force na no di maki ki amaki ki iswa ya kan nika saya nak rajin komiti belum no ada slow slow ba kiok justice dan pedang ada tim sempat ya santasi
dia doktor apa
dia ba
gynecologist
Kerja mana mesti?
Selesai jingsa nak kelang komiti kala ya pak ka kopi ba kinsong selesai nak kelang jong director dengan Neigrhim bilang ba dia saya kena terjemput maksimum kena pusi sila on ba por sisni asmina pusi na kisong kejap kis de long hapok na pusi pat long ka result layo ba niru inang api ta result
mga kata kada ka maximum days kan ba ki aipor kan mga kaliang ka hospital route mga ka committee bakin pendapat pok ka ndai pau sing kata kada ka maximum bakila garanti kan kaliang ka hospital route